Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing a watch strap which I'm going to put on my smartwatch. This is a standard 22mm watch strap that I purchased on Amazon for less than £10 sterling. The branding is TUSITA, and we'll link in the description to where you can buy this watch strap. If you do so, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Anyway, the box is cardboard. Out comes, oh, there's actually 3 of them. I wasn't expecting that. So the pack has 3 watch straps, one lime green, one red and black, and one black and grey. So let's put on what I think looks the best of the 3, is this red and black watch strap. Now, if you haven't already, you can check out the videos we've done on the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS by Mobvoi. It's a great smartwatch. It's currently my daily smartwatch whilst I work on phone reviews and other smartwatch reviews. It's a great bit of kit running Wear OS. And one of the great features of it is that it has standard 22mm watch straps. So this watch strap should, if all goes well, fit in quite well. So the key thing is to get the one side in and clip in the watch strap on one side, and then do the same on the other side. So the key thing to tell which goes towards your wrist is where the clip is. In this case, we need to put one side in at the top, pull in, oops, okay, so that's pretty easy installation. There's these 2 little spring-mounted watch strap clips that go open up and then go in, and then once it's on, whoops, I may have put this on upside down. Let's do that again. This will make for very entertaining YouTube watching, probably cause a bit of a drop-off in the audience, but I think it's worthwhile. On the other hand, if you're watching through with this, thank you for doing so, and by doing that you're supporting Tech Travel Geeks watch time. Pun intended, because we're doing a video about watch straps. So let's do the other side again. So non-springy side first, clip that in. Nope. Almost. There we go, it's clipped in. So that's better, it's more of a traditional watch strap. So the great thing about this watch strap is that it has quite a few holes. It's part of the whole aeration of the strap. If you compare it to the watch strap the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS came with, which is solid silicone, this has a little bit more of space for breathing, especially in the balmy Scottish summer where temperatures almost reach 20 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure how much that is in freedom degrees, but I'm sure it's a lot not. There we go. So the watch strap is now on, and it has 2 confirmation loops to wrap it in. This feels good, it feels comfortable, and with such a wide selection of loopholes, there's lots of space there. And bonus, I thought I was only getting the red strap. The bonus is that you get lime green and black and a grey and black one as well. Now, after a few moments of wearing this, my first impression is that this is a really nice, soft, malleable one. It's not only providing my wrist with some breathing space, but it's nice and soft. It's not one of those harder watch faces. So I'm expecting it to not offer much in terms of resistance and annoying rubbing on my wrist. In terms of overall feel on the smartwatch, it does have these bits that clip in. It's good. It fits the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS great because of that standard 22mm watch strap width and clippings. So I think that's pretty much everything. For the price, for just under £10 sterling, I think this is quite a good buy, especially since you get 3 watch straps, and you can colour coordinate with whichever sports sneakers or other clothing you have. Don't say Tech Travel Geeks just cover consumer electronics, gadgets and accessories we think make the travel experience better. We also cover fashion, such as watch straps for smartwatches such as the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra GPS. Now, make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks to see more of this type of content, as well as our more in-depth videos on smartwatches, gadgets, smartphones, anything we think makes the travel experience better. Thanks for watching if you made it this far, and keep an eye out on our channel for more coverage of what I mentioned earlier, and more importantly, fashionable accessories like watch straps and smartphone cases. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.